daño que...
Service in Raleigh has issued a flash flood warning for Alamance County, Northwestern Chatham County, Davidson County, Durham County, Forsyth County, Guilford County, Orange County, Southern Person County, Randolph County, Northern Wake County until 10:15 a.m. Thursday. At 4:13 a.m., Doppler radar indicated heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 1.5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 2 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Heavy rain producing flash flooding. Source, radar. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Raleigh, Greensboro, Winston-Salem, Durham, High Point, Chapel Hill, Burlington, Asheboro, Lexington, Graham, Hillsboro, Randleman, Siler City, North Carolina Zoo, Wake Forest, Thomasville, Kernersville, Carborough, Clemens, and Mebane. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 10:15 a.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Alamance, Chatham, Davidson, Durham, Forsyth, Guilford, Orange, Person, Randolph, and Wake.